Alright. Y'all are quiet. Y'all are quiet. You shouldn't need a teacher to tell you to be quiet. All of your conversations are off task, so I do have to take attendance. And I do have to answer some questions. So just because I'm busy working doesn't mean it's free time. You guys, as you get older, you'll get adjusted to that. I just want to give you the feedback that you are not doing that correctly. You're not entering the classroom correctly. Okay? Alright, so you have your name written down. Our goal today is to practice multi-step inequalities. Sometimes I write on the board the day and then I tell you all the things we're going to do. Well, I don't know if you've noticed in your classrooms, but they've given yesterday in the faculty meeting, they give us these. So here's the agenda instead of kind of big right here. We're going to do both. We're going to check your assignment. We typically do notes after we check an assignment. And today, you're going to be working on the Chromebooks. You're going to do an assignment in Big Ideas Math. Now, I want to, we're not talking. I want to let you guys know something that's posted and an option for you. Okay, so here's a big question next to this star over here. Can you all see this back there? Can everybody see this? Right here. Right here. Right here where I'm pointing. You see it?
I think so.
Okay, did you earn less than a 60 on the chapter 1 quiz or test? Question mark. You can go to Big Ideas Math and do the chapter 1 test remediation to bring your grade up. Okay? That can be done at home, online, or you can stay after school sometime and I can offer you the same opportunity on paper if you'd rather not do the computer thing. Okay? Any questions about the chapter 1 test remediation to help bring your grade up?
Is the work on the Chromebook basically at home?
Is your assignment today?
Alright. So that's the assignment?
The assignment, no. Chapter 2.4 problems.
Yes. We do that.
That's not going to be an option. Alright. Back to quiet. You guys, once again, I was answering questions. That is not, no, sit down, I get it. That is not permission to go into free conversations in the classroom. Really should be very quiet in here. And as you go through the school, you go sophomore, junior, senior year, people will start to calm down. The class will be much more quiet. I really encourage you guys, try to stay calm. 1:45, the first person can go to the bathroom. So you have a Chromebook open. Vladimir, do you have your watch on? No watch today. Ariana, what time is it? 4 minutes until we can start using the bathroom. But hey, heads up, go fast. You are not in second period right now to go to the bathroom. You are here to practice math. So let's ask questions about math. Okay? Our quiz date, your next quiz is September 16th. Every problem will have an alligator mouth inequality symbol on it. No. Once again, I did not just give you permission to start talking. I'm not looking for your comments. I'm not looking for your feedback. I'm looking for you to stay silent. Everyone should have their books open to page 87. You're trying to do letters A through B. Y'all got these today?
I can't wait to see this kid's read. This kid's going to lose that in a breath. I was not playing anything. First period, I didn't say nothing to you.
Right now, alright, here I go to page 87. So, listen, it was written here. It was written on the board so you can visually read what we're doing. And I've said it out loud. And now I'm going to go there myself so you can see it. Multiple representation. Just a minute. If I don't call on you, just wait. Eventually I'll get to you. What's the matter, sir? What's the matter? Go ahead. We're not having conversations. Let's see. Look, don't call out questions. Let's give everyone a chance to take a look at page 87. Don't do that.
Are you breaking it? You stop touching me with your pen.
Okay, yeah,
I've seen it. It wasn't even close to touching me.
nobody else.
Why so blue?
Yes, I was just trying to be helpful. Like, you take a picture of mine. Miss favor everybody but me. I don't care if I talk to you. We're gonna deal with it. Ain't that right? She dealt with my brother, now she gonna deal with me.
Alright, guys, here we go. Page 87. That's a little blurry.
Okay. Let me guess.
I do want to say Ariana has definitely looked at the map. Those of you who don't have the page, here's the map to look at. Yeah, why wouldn't they?
Yeah, so it's just like not in the.
Not in there. Here it is. This is what you're looking at. Go ahead and try to explain in a real whole sentence what you think is going on in that diagram. Explain the diagram in your own words.
At least I'll try to get some extra credit. I got a 32 on that test.
All right, shh. Let's hear. Alright, is anybody willing to volunteer what they think this means? Alright, very good. Let's go with the 40 when people are 40 years old. Okay, this is life expectancy. This data is tracked all around the world. It's tracked globally. And then all these facts and stats are made about different countries about how great it is to live there. And they say the countries that have the highest life expectancy probably have the healthiest lifestyles. Some of our highest life expectancy in our world come from Asia. So we study people in Asia. We say, what are you guys doing differently? So many people are living in their 90s. So many people are living in their hundreds. What are you doing here? What food are you eating? What is your health care? Are you getting vaccinations? Do you have access to clean water? Things like that. Okay? And as it turns out, in our own country, life expectancy changes depending on what state you live in. So, which state do you think has the highest life expectancy in the United States? Raise your hand. Devin? Let's do the highest life. In which state do people live the longest? Maine is definitely up there. Ava, what'd you get? Yes.
It looks like the far edge of California.
We got the far edge of California. They're living to be over 80 years old on average. We got Oregon. We got Washington. They're living longer. Okay? Which are the lowest? Where do we see the lowest life expectancy? Vladimir? Yes. What's happening in Nevada? Okay. Yes. You're quiet. You're quiet. In Nevada, there's a lot of desert. Okay. There's also Indian reservation, Native American reservations. What else is in Nevada? Las Vegas. All right. There's gambling. Who knows? Who knows? Maybe. Who knows what other crimes might be happening in Nevada? Where else do we see a low life expectancy? Neil? Yep. Texas. What's happening right here in Texas? There might be a border issue. Maybe there's common drug use here, but also maybe there's just not as good a health care here. Maybe these people are having trouble accessing good health care. Okay. One issue, you're quiet. One issue is if you don't live close to a city, you guys probably can't relate to this because we have really good health care here. If you don't live close to the city, it's not very easy for you to go to the doctor. Some people in the country here are still not going to the doctor as frequently as they're supposed to, even though they live in the United States. Yes? Yeah, you guys, what do you think? You're quiet. You're quiet. What do you think? Why is the southernmost part of Florida living the longest? No, we're right here. What's that? What cities are down here? We got Miami. You guys think, quiet for a minute. Do you guys think that we got wealthy people from around the country coming down here and living with lots of money in retirement? Maybe. Also, you guys, you also have to question, is the data good? Are we collecting data on immigrants and illegal immigrants and people without social security numbers? No. So do these people necessarily all have this life expectancy, or maybe is there a census issue? Okay? There's census issues globally. Sometimes we compare education in America to education in other countries, but we don't know if they're collecting data on the people who live in the country. We don't know if they've collected all that data. There's a lot to question when it comes to statistics. So anyway, these are all inequalities. So, can we write some inequalities and apply that to real life? These are real life data and inequalities. All right, guys. As you're opening your books to yesterday's assignment, 117, please log into your Chromebook.
I don't know who thought me, myself, and I. That's for me, myself, and I. Me and you gonna fight. Wait. Yeah, you do. Make your belt wrong too. I'm not from
Nathan, have a seat. Hey, you're All right, guys, here's the answers to yesterday's odd questions. Shh, you're done talking. So I assigned you page 117, 1 through 17 odd. So I hope you already had the answers and checked it, but I want to give you a chance right now to ask me questions. If your problem did not come out looking like this, please ask me and I'll do the problem. Yeah. Okay. Remember, I just assigned odds, so you're looking at 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9, and I have the other answers to show you in just a moment. Yeah, I'm gonna go to 17. Does anybody have a question about these? Please stop talking. I can't hear. There's 4 people talking right now, and I can't hear them. Raise your hand and wait to be called on. There's one right there. It just came out. Nobody touched it. It just came out. No. I'm pretty sure it was me when I was grabbing those Chromebooks. I just moved the box. Yeah. Okay, who's got a question? Raise your hand. Vladimir. Number 1. No comments. And number 1 looks like this. It's 3y is less than or equal to -9. So just like if it was an equal sign, I'll divide both sides by 3. And my answer would be y is less than or equal to -3. This symbol means I put a closed dot on -3. And numbers that are lower go to the left. Oh, you can grab one from my Or it looks like there's one up here by Alexa. Yeah, let's look at one where you flip the sign. On number 3, no one's talking. On number 3, you're required to flip the sign. It's -15 is less than or equal to -3c. So, it's all the same steps, isn't it? I would divide by -3. Look, Vladimir, when this number that I'm taking to the other side is negative, that's when you flip. I see him. Okay? So a negative over a negative is a positive. Be quiet. No, I got it. Yes. this is being divided by a positive 3. It's this number that you're dividing that matters.
I got you.
Okay. Here's 11, 13, and 15. And now I'm going to use 17. Shh, you're quiet. 17 says the weather forecast. Oh, this is a test question. A weather forecaster predicts the temperature will decrease 8 degrees Fahrenheit each hour. How many hours will it take for the temperature to drop at least 36 degrees Fahrenheit? Okay. All right, so if I think about my current temp, it is decreasing, subtraction sign. Okay. So my current temp, this is 17, is decreasing, subtracting 8 degrees, and we know the word each implies multiplication, so it's 8 degrees every hour. In how long will it drop at least 36 degrees? I'm not sure about at least. I'm going to go on to page, I told you guys about a table. I want you to remember where to look at the table. I told you to fold it over. It's on page 89. So if you're not sure about the words at least or whatever, you should be looking at the table on 89. At least means I want it to be more than or equal to 36. All right, so we'll divide by -8. And since we're dividing by a negative, we'll flip the sign. Negative 36 over 8. And that would be 4.5. Thanks. It will take 4.5 hours. All right. So everybody, leave this open. I'm going to come in and give you credit for it. Everybody's working online on chapter 2.4 practice. Everybody understands that there's an opportunity to bring up your grade in Big Ideas Math. You should see it right now. It's called chapter 1 text remediation. I'm going to try my best when I'm walking around to listen to you guys and take points off if you're talking at all. Be quiet. I hear you. Do you have a question? Yeah, it's in Big Ideas Math. So today's assignment, chapter 2.4. But to bring up your test grade is called test remediation. You should see them both right now. This is due tomorrow. You don't have to get your test remediation done until next Friday. I've given you over a week to bring your grade out. I'll talk to you after that. Yes. It's pre-ACE Math 1.
Is that our summit for today? What?
Yeah, it's called chapter 2.4 practice.
I'll do that for you.
Alrighty, if I hear you on minusing.
And I was sleeping.
I hear conversations in the front of the room. Stop doing that. Oh, yeah.
Is that another offense? I got two. I did, miss. Yeah, that's me, miss. No. I don't sound like a girl.
Sorry, Vince.
You lying.
I don't have to go
More than one. I ain't got I'll see one more.
But it's only when she's on one, and you put in -110. You gotta type Y is left.
Yeah, mine is 10.
Yes, right now.
They use abbreviation. Remember, she wants everything. Yep, all day today. That's what they have right now. There's another slide, right? Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
She can take my points. I was 7. That's like I was in
All right. Back to work. I'm hearing that some of the